Hello children, good morning. What is this? Yes, this is called Basavana Hula. Have you seen this? Yes, we see this in the rainy days and winter days. It's so sticky, no? It looks very sticky. But it lives for long years. It lives in the shell. It is very soft, but it lives in the hard shell. The shell which we see here, no? Here. Whatever we are seeing, this one, this is called hard shell, and this is called Basavana Hula. Okay. Next we have here. Yes, these also are in different shapes, different colors of Basavana Hula. What do we are going to learn about Basavana Hula? Basavana Hula shows us how to lead a life. Yes, how? It moves very slowly and it doesn't make any noise, but it reaches its goal. Without making a sound, it reaches its goal. So we also in our life, without making sound, or that means without making disturbance for others, we should reach our goal. I am going to tell you one story. Listen about the Mr. Sticky. Once there was a girl, Abby, and she was having a fish, two fishes in the aquarium. There were two fishes, one was white color and one was golden color fish. That is orange color gold fish, which was dozing from the inside. And there was one white color fish. Same along with the white color fish, there was a snail in her aquarium. What is aquarium? The fishes, frogs which are kept as pet in the home, those are called as aquarium. Aquarium means a glass. The glass type of box, they put water in that and some pebbles, small stones, and they leave the water inside it. And they put some lightings and all. Have you seen aquarium? If we go for some shopping malls, hospital and some people's home, we can see the aquarium. Okay. And some are in balls also, glass balls. Okay. So this Abby, when she went for school, also she was remembering of the snail which was in her aquarium. She was thinking, it's so small and it is so cute. Always she used to think about the Sticky in the class also. When she went to school, her mother was taking care of the Sticky. So she spoke with her mother about the Sticky when she was going home to the school, and her mother was going to office. They both discussed that the aquarium has got little bit dirt, let us clean it. So they started to clean. How do the aquarium is cleaned? Aquarium is cleaned by removing the water in the bucket and the fish in the water. Separate clean water. Okay, that is called scooped. And after that, Abby started to take exercise in the morning. Why she was doing exercise? Because she has seen in the TV that yoga exercise gives good health and stretches your body. By stretching your body, you become tall. by jumping and skipping and doing stretching to your legs and hands and body, you become strong also. Then she went. She saw in the aquarium, she did not find the snail. So she went and hurriedly to her mother. Her mother was busy in the work. She said to Abby, Abby, go to your room now. Abby sadly came to her room and she started crying. Abby's mother came her to settle. Then they started to see the snail. They did not find the snail in the water and it was little bit algae. The water was dirty, so they thought to clean it. And when she did not find the snail, she was worried. Okay, then she went to the school. In the school, she drew the elephant. Okay, she drew the elephant with the help of teacher. And then they came to home and they started to clean it. Her mother cleaned it and they removed the algae, but she did not find the snail in the water. She was worried. Then her mother told, okay, I will give you a telescope, by that you can find out. Then they started to search it. It was in the archway where it was hidden and it was having two. One was the girl sticky and one was the boy sticky. Then she was feeling happy. Okay, now let us go to our book and read about the snail story, Mr. Sticky. Okay, so here we have anagrams. Anagrams means the letters will be mixed up. You have to make it meaningful word. Here WHEAL, it doesn't give a meaning. So we have to arrange it in the order, that is whale. Have you seen whale? Yes, it is in the shape of fish, but it is very big in size. And eel, it is also a water living animal. It's also very small than the snake. It's a black color. Okay, next one is seal. Seal is also a type of water animal. Octopus. Have you seen octopus? Octopus is very cute. It has 7 hearts and different shape. It looks very strange. And next one is string. Okay, now let us go to the lesson. All of you take your pencil in your hand and write down the new words which I have underlined in the book. One is peeled, then twitching, then clanging, mysterious. Okay? Yes. Now let us see the lesson. No one knew how Mr. Sticky got in the fish tank. So Abby was having a snail in her aquarium, but no one was knowing how the Mr. Sticky got into the fish tank because no one brought it. He was very small. Mom said as she peered at the tiny water snail, just a black dot. When her mom, Abby's mother, has seen in the water tank, she saw a tiny snail. That means small, very small snail, just a black dot. Then after some days, he'll grow, said Abby. So her mother said it's very small, but Abby said it will grow, and pulled her pajama bottoms up again before she got into bed. They were always falling down. She was wearing a pajama which was very loose, always getting down. So she lifted it up and she went for the bed. In the next morning, Abby jumped out of the bed and went to her fish tank. Children, do you have any pet animals in your home? Yes, like cat, dog, horse, and rabbit. Cow also we have as a pet animal. Yes. So we always, when we have our pet animals, we would like to play with them. So same, Abby was also very much interested in the snail. In the morning, Abby jumped out of the bed and went to her fish tank. If you have your pet animal cat and dog, you always play with it. Even in the morning, and from morning to evening, you will be playing with the pet animals. And then Gary, the fat orange goldfish. Here we can see the orange goldfish. Its name was Gary. Gary, the fat orange goldfish, was dozing inside the stone archway. Dozing means it was seeing from inside. There was a made house for the fish to go inside and come back. When it was inside, it was just dozing to the Abby. Jaws was already awake, swimming along the front of the tank with his white tail floating. Now what is here? Jaws. Jaws was a white color fish. Jaws was already awake, swimming along the front of the tank with his white tail floating and twitching. It took Abby a while to find Mr. Sticky because he was clinging to the glass near to the bottom, right next to the gravel. So, when Abby was searching Mr. Sticky, she could not find it easily because the snail was clinging, means it was sticked to the pebbles, to the glass near the bottom, right next to the gravel. Gravel means these small stones, what we see here, those are called as gravel. At school that day, she wrote about the mysterious Mr. Sticky, who was so small you could mistake him for a piece of gravel. So when she went to school, she was always thinking about the Sticky. And the Sticky was so small, anybody can mistake by seeing the pebbles. It would mix up with the pebbles easily and you cannot find it. Then some of the girls in her class said he seemed an ideal pet for her and kept giggling about it. So some of the girls in her class said, you are too much attracted to it, too much worried about it, and you always start thinking about it. Thinking means to recall it again and again. That means to remember. Giggling means to think or remember about the same thing again and again. Some of the girls in her class said he seemed an ideal pet for her and kept giggling about it. So ideal means no one is having a snail in their home. Always people have the pet animals like cat, dog. Yes. Next. That night, Abby turned on the light to find Mr. Sticky clinging to the very tiniest, waviest tip of the pond weed. So, on that night, what happened? That night, Abby turned on the light to find Mr. Sticky. In the light was there in the aquarium. He she warned Abby on the light and started to search it because it was very tiniest and waviest tip of the pondweed. It was near the water filter, so he was bobbing about in the air bubbles. So there were bubbles in the water. The bubbles were coming from inside the water. The sticky was also moving with the bubbles, but it stuck to the green color plant in the water. That looks fun, Abby said. She tried to imagine that it must be like to have to hang on to things all day and decided it was probably very tiring. She said, Mr. Sticky is standing so strong. I can't stand there. It is very difficult job. She fed the fish. She fed the fish means she gave food for the fish. She fed the fish, then lay on her bed. Lay means just to go and sleep, not closing the eyes, just watching the aquarium. Watched them tail each other and round the aquarium. She saw the snail, the fish, that was the Gary and the Jaws. They were rounding the aquarium. When they stopped, Gary began nibbling at the pondweed with his big potty lips. So when the Gary, that is gold orange color fish, it was taking the snail in its mouth and throwing it again. And pondweed with his big potty lips. Yes, potty lips, opened big lips. He sucked Mr. Sticky into his mouth. Sucked means it was taking inside and throwing out of the mouth, and then blew him back out again in the stream of the water. The snail floated down to the bottom of the tank among the colored gravel. When the Gary was throwing the snail from the mouth, it was floating down to the bottom of the tank. Then her mother said, Abby said to her mother, I think he's grown a bit. Abby said to her mother, Mama, I think the snail has grown a bit. Abby told her mother at breakfast the next day. Just as well if he's going to be gobbled up like that, Mom said. Mother said, it is looking like that the fish, the Gary is eating it, but it is not eating the snail. So they decided to clean it once again. Just as well if he is going to be gobbled up like that, Mom said, trying to put on her coat and eat toast at the same time. So when you are coming to school, what do? You also will be in a hurry, eating in the other way, and in the other hand you will be wearing the uniform. Same how mother also was preparing herself to the office. Mom said, trying to put on her coat and eat toast at the same time. In the right hand she was eating a toast, and in left hand she was wearing a coat. But I don't want him to get too big. So Abby said, Mama, I don't want the snail to be big. But her mother said, he won't be cute anymore. Small things are cute, aren't they? So Abby said to her mother, I don't want the snail to be grown up, because if it grows, it doesn't look cute. But her mother said, yes, they are. Now they are cute, but big things can be cute too. Even when big things are there, they also can be cute. Now hurry up, I am going to miss my train. So mother told to the Abby, yes, get ready fast, we are getting late. If you make me late, we will miss the train. Because mama was going to office by the train. Here, how do you come to school? You may come by walk, you may be coming by bike, you may be coming by auto, by school van. Yes, when you are getting late, your mother and father also say same thing. Get ready fast, you are getting late. Yes? Okay. Then at the school, same day, Abby drew an elephant. She needed 2 pieces of expensive paper. Abby needed 2 pieces of expensive paper because she wanted to draw a big elephant to do both the ends. But the teacher did not mind because she was pleased with the drawing. So Abby said to her teacher, Madam, I want 2 papers. But teacher did not say anything. She gave her 2 papers which were expensive. Here the word is expensive. Expensive means costly. Very costly. You bring the A4 sheet for 1 rupee. Yes? 2 papers for 1 rupee. But when you go and bring color papers, they are more expensive than the white paper. So costly, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. 1 paper. That is expensive. Gold is expensive. Diamond is expensive. Some shoes are expensive. Yes. Some jewelries are expensive. That is costly. And wanted it on the wall. They sellotaped them together right across the elephant's middle. So what they did, the madam gave her 2 papers. She drew the elephant. But how to stick it? They took a sellotape. The new word is sellotape. SELLOTAPED. That is tape, that is sellotape. They took the sellotape and sticked 2 papers to look the beautiful. Here we can see in the image. This was drew by Abby and they stick it with the sellotape. Right across the elephant's middle. Where? In the middle. In the corner of the picture, Abby wrote her full name. Where she wrote? She wrote in the corner. Corner means at the end. In the moole antirla. So that is corner. In the corner, Abby wrote her full name, that is Abigail, and drew tiny snails for the dots on the eyes. Where? Here when she wrote Abigail, when she wrote I, she wrote small dots like to make it beautiful. The teacher said that was very cute. The teacher said to the Abby, oh Abby, you have drew very good. You are so creative. Next one. At the weekend, Abby and her mother cleaned out the tank. On the weekend, what do you do in the weekends? You may be helping your mother in cleaning your study table, cleaning your school bag, cleaning your lunch bag, cleaning your shelf, cupboard. Yes. So same, Abby was also helping her mother in the weekend to clean out the tank. Because if the aquarium should be cleaned regularly. Otherwise, it gets algae. Pachi antiralla hasar color do green color. That is called as algae. So to remove the algae. At the weekend, Abby and her mother cleaned out the tank because her mother said there is a lot of algae on the sides. And Mama said, I am not sure Mr. Sticky is quite up to the job yet. So, mother said, I think the Sticky is not doing her job properly. So, there is algae. So, what is the job of the algae? The job of Sticky. What is the job of the Sticky? The job of the Sticky is to eat out the algae and keep the aquarium clean. It eats dirt and keeps the things clean. So Mama said, I think I am not sure Mr. Sticky is quite up to the job yet. ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ತನ್ನ ಜಾಬ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. They scooped the fish out. So what they did, they took a ball, glass ball, in that they put some water and they removed the fish. Yes, first they removed the fish in the bowl and they started to clean by removing the water and transferring fresh and clean water. That is the process of cleaning the aquarium. So what they did first, they scooped the fish out and put them in a bowl. While they emptied some of the water, Mr. Sticky stayed out of the way. So they removed full water from the algae, from the aquarium, but they did not find the say it now. What? Mr. Sticky. They did not find out the Sticky clinging to the glass while mums used the special vacuum cleaner to clean out the gravel. Have you seen vacuum cleaner? Vacuum cleaner is a machine which is used to clean out the things. So today let us finish this class. Let us wind up the class, and in the next class we will discuss the next part of the lesson. What happens? Do they find out the Mr. Sticky or they lose the Sticky? If they lose the Sticky, what does the Abby do now? Yes, when you lose your pet animal like cat and dog, what do? You start crying, you start searching it, where is it? So same what the Abby does. Let us see in the next class. Okay, thank you children, thank you for watching and keep watching. Be safe. Yes, bye.